What do you do when you have a 13-foot table that needs to get delivered onto an island in Maine in the middle of February? This is what you do. Alright, we're all loaded up, bundled up, ready for a 3-hour car ride. Well, I made it to Moosehead. The island that I'm delivering to is called Kineo Island, and we have to cross the lake in order to get there. So, what do Mainers do? Got a snowmobile with a trailer on it. So the table's all wrapped up, nice and sturdy. Look at this scenery, beautiful. The mountains in the background. But, we had to go a good 10 minutes on the snowmobile in order to get to the camp. So it was a fun ride, and everything went smoothly. It was definitely a little nerve-wracking, but everything went smoothly without any hitches, except for the ones on the trailer. So here's it installed. I think it fits the space really well. Turned out good. The clients love it. And it fits 14 easy, 16 when squeezing. So, it's glad to have this project out of the shop finally. It was a fun one. Thanks for watching.